The factory represents a huge opportunity for the application of IoT technology, one so big and so real that governments of the world's 3 largest economies have named it. It's called Smart Manufacturing in North America and Made in China 2025 in China. The European Union refers to it as Industry 4.0, as this wave of impending change represents the 4th industrial revolution. However, if you've ever walked a factory floor, you've seen that the machinery is incredibly diverse. Production equipment originates from many different vendors and connects to different systems that aren't engineered to easily communicate with each other. And yet, these production assets are all generating huge volumes of valuable operational data. Against this backdrop of complexity and untapped information, manufacturers still need to achieve continuous operational improvement, which is absolutely critical to delivering innovative products on time and at the right cost while ensuring high quality. To address this challenge and deliver customer outcomes in the manufacturing journey, PTC is introducing a set of solutions to bring a new level of visibility to manufacturing operations. PTC Project Sigma for Manufacturing Solutions allow you to get more from the equipment and systems you already have in place. They can be developed quickly, with no disruption to today's operations. With PTC Project Sigma, there's no costly and time-consuming rip and replace of your existing systems. In order to demonstrate these solutions, we've built a fully functioning mock assembly line in our Needham, Massachusetts headquarters. It has a robot, a pneumatic system, a conveyor system, a vision system, and a number of secondary sensors which provide real-time readings. The supply station, in the back, brings in raw materials, black and white discs. The robot then picks up the parts and assembles them with precision. The resulting assembly is then sent to the quality station, where a vision system checks each assembly by validating proper alignment of the parts. While this mock assembly line represents only a fraction of the complexity manufacturers are faced with every day, it does a nice job of illustrating the obstacles that PTC Project Sigma is designed to overcome. We invite you to review the following videos to discover how the PTC Project Sigma for Manufacturing Solutions deliver real-time operational intelligence and predictive analytics to optimize operator efficiencies while unlocking value at all levels of the shop floor.